Welcome to this video on predictive maintenance and inventory management with AI. In today's business world, optimizing maintenance and inventory management is crucial to maximizing efficiency and minimizing downtime. With the help of AI, businesses can predict when equipment maintenance will be needed, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing the risk of unexpected downtime. Machine learning algorithms can analyze historical data to predict when equipment failures may occur, enabling businesses to plan maintenance activities in advance. AI can also be used to optimize inventory management, predicting demand and identifying which products need to be restocked, reducing inventory carrying costs, and preventing stockouts. Automation and robotics can be used to improve efficiency in warehouses, reducing labor costs, and improving order accuracy. By using AI to optimize maintenance and inventory management processes, businesses can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase overall performance. Data scientists and analysts play a critical role in predictive maintenance and inventory management, collecting and analyzing data to identify patterns and inefficiencies. In conclusion, AI can provide significant benefits to predictive maintenance and inventory management, enabling businesses to be proactive rather than reactive in their approach. If you're interested in learning more about AI for predictive maintenance and inventory management, there are many resources available online. Thank you for watching.